It's a small to mediums because it's compared to the longer nails. And I'm going ahead and like basically not to manipulating is not like pulling and messing a lot with this, because to avoiding the air bubble, because I'm gonna do some ombre whilst with the chrome flake, and using the other end of the Velvetty gel brush. And we're going to submerging my brush into the base gels. We're not using any other solution, which is like alcohol or anything else, is going to have a high chance to break down your product. So really gentle. I am going to submerging my bristle into the base gels really gently and keep the bristles nice and flat. So then the belly will work most of majority of the work for you. And it's great things with the base gels will help, you know, avoiding a lot of the air bubbles as well. And its best things about this collection is glow in the dark and then also the color change. All right, so I'm gonna give it just a second. Let it start levelings, and then using the chrome flake. It's a little bit, the jar is a little bit tight. And it's perfect, it's like a kind of a purple blue. And just tap it on the nails while the velvety gel is still wet, because I haven't cured or anything at all. And then just move it upside down. Great. So you're happy with this? We're going to cure for 30 seconds. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And happy Friday. Close this. I didn't know that. What number is this? This came off. All right, so that is gonna look like this, but this one is just a solid color. I swatched it the other day. I think it came in my eye. In the meantime, we are going to get the crystal clear. So make sure you get a crystal clear so then it can encap really easy. Smaller to medium beads. The important to get it in caps between the ombre and, oh my gosh, it's changing the color. So beautiful. It was from deep blue, which is this colors, to this deep blue, like a super cute, like kind of a blush purple, pink. I think I'm more blushing, no?
So Luigi, yes, we're gonna have a class soon in December. It's gonna be in Pensacola, Florida.
All right, so I'm gonna do is apply this all, spread it to the nails. It's really thin coat. You can see that it turn on the side, and then let me, thanks so much, Brazil. Hey babe, how are you? Brazil's is at Bellis Nails, is one of Glitz really talented brand ambassador. She created a lot of beautiful designs, a lot of content. If you haven't get chance to follow her, She's at Ballis Nails. Can you share to the group as well?
Already did that.
Thank you. So I was supposed to do live earlier, but we was busy today. Well, every day, but special today, we like unpacked all of the palettes. It came back from Orlando, so we're being reorganized and to be ready for the next upcoming show in 2022. 2022? No, 2022, right? How do you say the year like that? But anyway, I taped up the nails. In the meantime, we are talking. Turn it upside down. And also we prepare for guess what happened? Black Friday. As usual every year. It's flowing really nice for you already. So now I'm happy here for 60 seconds.